and welcome back to Chasing RV Sunshine. We got some exciting news. We hit 100 subscribers. We are so excited, and thank you everyone so much for following along and subscribing to our channel. Today's video, we go to Joel's brother's farm and Maya meets some chickens. We also celebrate my birthday and Joel's mom's birthday as well. We stop at
Infinity Wine and Brewery
and have a Bloody Mary and a few wine tastings. Stick around and check out this exciting video. And thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notified when our next video is out.
Thank you, everyone.
Joel, Deb, and Maya here, welcoming you to join us in our journey for Chasing RV Sunshine.
Hi, Deb and Joel here from Chasing RV Sunshine. We are out at Infinity Winery and Distillery in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, enjoying several tastings and a fabulous Bloody Mary.
And social distance.
And these were all samples, not full glasses of wine.
Infinity Beverages Winery and Distillery is the official name, and they are dog-friendly out on the patio. They opened in 2010, determined to develop a distinct array of great-tasting wines and spirits. With Infinity being in an urban setting, they do source raw materials throughout the United States supporting American growers. They have a distinct and innovative wines and spirits, and you will find a truly unique experience when you go to the tasting room. In the tasting lounge, you can enjoy samples, wines by the glass, and specialty drinks, or stop by for an upcoming tour and learn more about operations and Infinity's story.
So basically Infinity Beverages is Winery and Distillery. We kind of specialize in craft cocktails as well as one-of-a-kind wine and spirits. So we try to do a lot of different experimental products where we kind of just do one batch of it, see what people think, as well as kind of like our signature wines and vodka and whiskey that we produce all the time. Infinity has been around for 10 years, actually.
We traveled to the birthday party located at the farm where Joel's brother and our sister-in-law currently live. We celebrated Joel's mom's birthday and mine and had a fabulous get-together with our family. The farm has been in our sister-in-law's family for over 100 years, and they believe in supporting local and growing their own food organically. Well, my mother-in-law and my birthday is in July. We did celebrate this in the first weekend in August, and there was a severe temperature dip, and it was absolutely windy and cold out during the party. Crazy Wisconsin weather like always. farm consists of 60 acres. 30 of these acres have been placed into our prairie preservation program through the state of Wisconsin. Prairies are characterized by a lack of trees and tall shrubs and are dominated by grass, sedges, and forbs. There is a great need in the state of Wisconsin for preserving our prairies. Of the 1.2 million acres that were native prairies when the Europeans arrived over 150 years ago, less than 10,000 acres are left today. In addition to the variety of plants that are grown in the prairies, they also provide an ecosystem that are safe environments for birds and some reptiles to live in. In the past few years, they've also been growing grapes on the farm. These grapes are a hardy variety that were engineered by the University of Minnesota that can withstand the cold weather in Wisconsin winters. The grapes in the fall are produced into jelly that they share with friends and family. Thank you everyone for coming along with us to the farm and to Infinity Distillery and Winery. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do and hit that bell so you can get notified when our next video is out. Miss and love everyone and hope you enjoyed our time on the farm. Stick around here for the bloopers.
Hi, Deb and Joel here from Chasing RV Sunshine. We are out at Infinity Winery in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. From Chasing RV Sunshine, we're out at Infinity Winery in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Stick around while we show you the fabulous tastings that we did today. Well, I guess it's not really a tasting. Let's step forward. See if we can.
Gotta get that right in between us. So you can see the pitchfork.
Yeah, that's not gonna. Step this way because then I can cut that house out. Maybe. Pitchfork. Try to make that work.
And if you started the 30-day challenge RV Fit yet on August 1st, congratulations. But if you missed out on the chance, don't worry, you can still do it as the calendar is universal and you can do it any 30 days. We challenge the RV community to get out there and move for 30 minutes for 30 days. Thanks for watching Chasing RV Sunshine.